Let's try this ALLEYOOP set. Is a beautiful trio here. I did get this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September. Never ever heard of this brand. So you have your contour, bronzer, blush, and a highlight, and they also include a nice mirror. So it's very easy to open, super easy like to travel. The colors are really nice too. This retails for $38. Looks like it's a nice size. It does say it's made in the USA. A 0.28 ounce. This is the Stack the Odds in SUNKISSED. Really don't play a lot with cream products at all, but I just tried the, what was it, from Flower Beauty. Wow, that is beautiful. That you're meant to use it like lips and cheeks, lip and cheek crush. Wow, I have a video on it if you want to see. If you want to see the full version, I have it. If you want to see just the shorts, I usually do both, like a shorts version, which I don't really talk in that video, just showing you the product, and then I also do like your full version explaining if you want to know more about the product. This creamy formula is designed to be blendable and buildable with the perfect amount of pigment, infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. See, I have oily skin. Anything you're telling me about like oil, I get scared. Okay, even if they say, oh, it's good oils or whatever it is, I have very oily skin. Like, I do not want to look extra oily. A little glow, yes. Does it look beautiful? Absolutely. I think it's gorgeous. But that's why we're going to try it out and we're going to see what it looks like. I'll also do swatches on my hand. Blush, bronzer, and highlighter shades were curated to complement a range of skin tones. So this does come in 3 different shades. It's sun-kissed, easy to apply direct with the fingers, anytime, anywhere, or with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. Travel friendly, intentionally designed cream formula, doesn't break like traditional powder products. I also have this in the shade Sassy Pants, Sun-Kissed, which is this one, which is a light to medium skin tone. Sassy Pants is fair to light. And then you have Cocktail Hour, which is tan to deep. I think I'm going to use the brush and also my hands. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Start here with this. I mean, I don't know if you're seeing it, but that was a bit darker than what I was expecting. Again, this one is for light to medium, so I hope it works out. Hopefully when blending it out, it looks amazing. But that was super smooth, creamy. And with the highlighter. I will start with a brush like this. This is from Complex Culture. Oof. So I'm gonna try to blend this out. Right now it looks fine. Like you saw, that looks super harsh and I was able to like blend it down. So try to go softer now. So blush. I find like cream products are not the easiest to blend when you have like set your face already with like powder, but maybe it's just me. But I am having to like blend it a bit aggressively so it spreads nicely, just so it's not like a line like this. But that's why you also can use a brush, a sponge. Okay, that was much easier, much easier. The same thing happened when I tried the other cream product from Flower Beauty. Definitely worked better for me. I don't know, like blending it out with my finger just doesn't work out for me. I don't know, maybe because like I said, I have already set my face all the time with powder. I like to put a little bit on top of my nose. I'm gonna take some with my finger. It looks nice. It doesn't look like anything too aggressive. Like if I turn like this, you're like, wow, no. It looks nice. I am gonna try to build it up. My face doesn't feel like sticky, or I don't look greasy or oily or anything like that. So it's really nice. Even if I have oily skin, I really like how this looks. It doesn't make me feel uncomfortable whatsoever. It's so pretty. Again, here's the swatches. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!